Hey, Theo. Go get your sister. Go get Daisy. You guys enjoying the snowstorm?
He doesn't know how to play right.
Huh?
He doesn't know how to play right.
What are they digging up over there?
Snow. Probably a ball that she buried in the snow.
Playing the game.
Oh, what did they find?
It's a big ball of snow.
Maria. Uh-oh. Theo. Here they are, having a good time in the snow. Now you see our next door neighbors. Theo, be nice. Be nice to Lily.
Look at all that snow sticks to his fur.
Let me see. I wish I could zoom in, but I can't.
Are you recording or taking
I'm
a picture?
recording.
Oh.
Hey, Theo, come here. Daisy, Lily. There has to be something over there in this, in the. What, Theo?
This is a piece of black snow.
Oh my goodness. Okay, my phone's getting wet.